This is MyoTape. This is mouth tape for sleeping. This is the size medium, so they come in different sizes, and they're on sheets like this. So there's a hole here that your lips go through. So I'm going to show you. So you can hold it by the corners. Then how does the mouth go best? You just pin your lips together.
Mm-hmm.
And then press it on. It definitely sticks the best if there's no lotion or excessive oiliness. And then you can still talk a little bit though.
Mm-hmm.
Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, but it's still tight. So it is working very well. It's keeping the mouth closed, helping with that nose breathing at night.